In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Typeform in WordPress Elementor website. By the end, you'll have your Typeform live on a page built with Elementor, looking great on desktop and mobile. First, sign into Typeform and open the form you want to embed. Make sure the form is finalized and published with questions, logic, and design just the way you want, because the embed will reflect whatever you've built in Typeform. Inside your form, head to the Share panel. This is where Typeform gives you options to place your form on a website. Choose Embed in a web page, and you'll see several embed types. Standard places the form in line within your content. Full page makes it take over the entire page area for a focused experience. Pop-up opens when triggered by a click or automatically. Slider appears as a small panel that slides in. Pick the one that fits your layout and the attention level you want from visitors. Before copying the code, take a moment to customize the settings. Adjust the height so the form doesn't feel cramped, and review mobile behavior to ensure smooth scrolling and good readability on phones. If you're using a pop-up or slider, you can fine-tune how and when it appears. When you're happy, click Start Embedding, then copy to grab the HTML embed code to your clipboard. Now switch over to your WordPress dashboard and edit the page with Elementor where you want the form to show. In Elementor, search for the HTML widget, drag it into the exact spot in your layout. Click inside the HTML code box and paste the Typeform embed code. You should see a live preview right in the editor. If it looks squished, try increasing the section width or adjusting padding and margins so the form has room to breathe. The embed will usually scale to 100% width, so let the container control the layout. When everything looks right, click Update or Publish. Open the page on the front end to test the form, and check it on mobile as well to confirm the height and navigation feel good. If your site uses caching, clear it so the new embed appears immediately. And if you don't see the form, make sure you used Elementor's HTML widget, since some other widgets or editors can strip scripts. That's it, your Typeform is now integrated into your Elementor page.